Hey guys, SDH here, back with another video, and today, my order arrived, and I got a few things. So I got the Zacian, deluxe pin set. This one I was pretty excited to get. Then I have the Dragapult Prime box as well, so you can see. And, I will not be opening each box individually. I'm just gonna open them up, take out the packs, show you guys what you get out of it. So, yeah. That's not the only thing I have today as well. I have 6 random booster packs. So you can see you already know which one's on the top, but I don't know what the other 2 are, but I have an idea of what they are. I also have just 4 loose Celebrations packs as well that I will be opening in this video. And I also got myself a Fusion Strike Booster box, which I will be opening in its own video. So, not in this video, but next video. But without further ado, let's get started. Let's open up the Dragapult Prime box first. I've been waiting for these for a while now. Probably about a week since I last, since I opened them. And these are actually really nice boxes, so I'm gonna try and keep them. Jeez. The glue on here is really good. Oh, this came out like 8 months ago, so. And also, if you can't tell, I have a new setup as well. This is from me moving. It actually looks pretty nice. Oops, sorry about that. You can see here, it comes with a binder, a big Dragapult Prime card, and a regular Dragapult Prime card. And then it comes with 2 Celebrations boosters and 1 Vivid Voltage. So, I haven't opened much Vivid Voltage. I think I've only opened up 1 pack of Vivid Voltage in my life. And here's the paper that explains what a Prime card is. So, if you're interested in that, I believe there is just stuff online for it. But here is the binder. This is actually a very nice binder. So, alright. And the big Dragapult Prime card. That actually looks very nice. The reason why I got this is because it's nostalgic to me. And that's why I also got the Zacian Level X pin as well. So. And now let's get into the coin. Which, if it wants to be difficult or not, is up to it. Come on. There we go. It's just a big Pikachu coin, so nothing much there. And now for the big, oh crap, I'm sorry about that. It is not being very stable today. So, there we go. Let's try and open this baby up. Let's get this out. I think I already showed the code accidentally, so you guys can have it. But let's get the packs out. So 1 Vivid Voltage, you can see right here. I'll just put that right there. Celebrations. And I'm just gonna try and get this out myself. Okay, so here's the code. You guys can have it. Because apparently I messed that one up, but I'm gonna try and not do that for the next one. So, and here's the Dragapult Prime card. That is actually really nice. So, and this time I came prepared with sleeves, which is a lot harder than it looks, apparently. So, okay, there's the Dragapult Prime card. This is actually a deck sleeve. So, alrighty, let's get this trash out of the way now. Let's open up the Zacian box. This one is probably the one I'm looking forward to the most because of Zacian. Because it's Zacian Level X. And Zacian's actually probably my favorite Pokemon in the Sword series, in the Sword in general. And, so, This one describes level X cards, of course. And this one doesn't have any special binders or anything like that, but it does come with a pin. So let's open this baby up. Some of these are really ridiculous to open up. Like, it should not be this hard at all. There we go. There we go. Perfect. So, let's get the pin out of the way first. This is probably one of the... Oh, it's cute. So, like, you can go from surfing Pikachu to flying Pikachu. I just did that in the wrong order, but this is actually a very neat pin. Let's get the card out next, and this time I'm not going to show you the code. So, actually, let's just get the packs out of the way, then I'll get out Nation of Lex. So, comes with a Chilling Ring, 4 Celebration packs, and a Vivid Voltage. So another one of these Vivid Voltages. Alright, and now I'm going to get this card out without trying to mess it up. There we go. And I'll put this card in my tin. Here's Nation Level X. That is such a neat card. Alrighty, now for the next part of this, which is just getting the rest of these packs out. So I have these two. I'm just gonna open this one, which just has 4 random celebration packs, which could be anything. So here they are. Actually, yeah, I'll put these on top. Doesn't look like it matters for opening up some celebration packs. Let's see what's in this one. So these are on Troll and Toad. That's where I got these from. This is one of their 3 random pack lots. And honestly, I just didn't know what I wanted. So Battle Styles, Chilling Ring, I always take that, and a Fusion Strike, which I already have 36 of those to open. But whatever, right? It gives me more chances. I'm more excited for Chilling Rain anyways. Battle Styles, Chilling Rain, and Fusion Strike. Okay. So, I don't remember what came first. I think Chilling Rain is the oldest. No, Vivid Voltage is the oldest. Then, I believe it's Battle Styles. Then it's Fusion Strike. Fusion Strike. So Fusion Strike would go right under here. Then then Battle Styles. And then Chilling Rain. So, but Chilling Rain, I'm probably planning on buying a booster pocket at some point. So, alrighty. So you have a lot to get through. I'll try and make this as painless as possible. But let's get started with a Vivid Voltage pack. Jeez. Okay. I actually like a little tin that I put my code cards in, which is pretty nice. So we have a Metal Energy, Memory Capsule, Go-Goat, Ferrothorn, Milcery, Wooper, Nincada, whatever, it doesn't matter. Drillbur, Hitmonchan Reverse, and a Zamrot. Okay. So I think the card in this set that is to be got is a it's like the Rainbow Rare Pikachu, I think, the VMAX Pikachu, which, I mean, it's Pikachu, so of course it is. Jeez, why won't you open up? It's gonna not have another episode of this, man. Finally. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. I believe that's right. All right, Lightning Energy, Telescopic Sight, Mightyena, Macargo, Whalmer, Cottony, Clobus, Electrike, Execute, Mightyena Reverse. Is that a rare? No, that's an uncommon. And our rare, ooh, Aegislash VMAX. Hello. That is a nice card. I love Aegislash. There we go. That's a good first Ultra Rare pull on the channel. Alright, now on to Fusion Strike, which I will be opening a box of this later. Okay, that one just straight up just opened on its own like that. So, oh, well, there's the code card for you guys. 2, 3, 4 to the front. Alright, Darkness Energy, Morgan, Cook, Heatmore, Totodile, Trubbish, Klefki, Shroomish, Choodle, Morpeko Reverse, and our rare, so Electric, Electros, another Fusion Strike pack. Actually, wait, I think I did that wrong, because it's supposed to be Battle Styles, isn't it? And then I think Fusion Strike was supposed to be at the bottom. Well, whatever. Doesn't really matter. I'm just here to open up cards. And this time I'm gonna make sure that the code is not reversed. I think the card I want the most out of the set is probably the Gengar. I really love Gengar. So, three, 4 to the front. Leaf Energy, Spongy Gloves, Cloyxer, Slagoo, Onyx, Meowth, Dewpider, I don't know how to say that one, Vullaby, Choodle, Macargo Reverse, and a Steelix Holo. Ooh, that's a nice holo. Very nice. Battle Styles, I have never opened any of this before, so I have no idea what I'm really looking for. Probably the Urshifu's, I'm guessing. But, yeah. Okay, I'm making sure. Okay, now the code is on this side, so. Okay. I have no idea what to expect, but probably the Urshifu's is what I'm looking for. Crawdaunt, Karina's Focused, Tower of Waters, Yamper, Glameowth, Corphish, Scatterbug, oops, Cubone, Mr. Mime. That is just a holo? Wow, okay. And our rare is a Salazzle. Okay. Another Battle Styles. I'm probably really excited for Chilling Reign because that's where I can get my chance for Blaziken, and I love me some Blaziken. I'm probably gonna start up that collection again pretty soon. So. Three, 4. Get this out of the way. So we have a Dark Energy, Dawdler, Doublade, Pignite, Mankey, Pawniard. Okay, I'm gonna move this a little closer. Limpbug, Shanks, Esper, Cacturn Reverse. Is that a rare? No, that's an uncommon. And our rare is the Jellicent. Alright, so nothing in those packs. That's alright, though. Now we have our 3 Chilling Reigns, which, again, like I said, I'm pretty excited for, because Blaziken, so. Jeez, why are these? I don't remember them being this hard when I was younger to open. 4. So we have another Dark Energy, Flannery, Old Cemetery, Stene, Yamask, Snowrunt, Bomb Sweet, Kubfu, NK, Kubfu Reverse, and our rare. A Melanie Hyper Rare. No way. That is actually real nice. That is actually really, really nice. So that's my first Hyper Rare. Alright, another Chilling Reigns. I have no idea what to expect in the Celebrations pack besides some of the old, like, reprinted cards. Which I am pretty excited for, because I have a chance of looking at some cards that really bring me back. So, jeez, come on out, man. There we go. 4. Into a Metal Energy, Melanie, Expedition Uniform, Hatchram, Quillfish, Slowpoke, Clobbus, Mareep, Ralts, Malamar Reverse, that is a rare, and our rare is a Golurk. Okay, next pack. Oh man, I'm gonna have a whole freaking stack of, like, just regular rares after this. After I'm done editing after I'm done with the video and stuff, so. Oh yeah, but that Melanie Hyper Rare, that is very nice to get. Jeez, now these don't want to fit in the tin anymore. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Fire Energy. Scroll of the Skies. Dyna Helltree. Stene. Venipede. Bomb Sweet. Lapras. Lapras. Blitzel. Aron. Ralts Reversed. And a Banette. Okay. Alright, now we're done with the regular packs. Now let's get on to the actual stuff that I bet you guys actually want to see, which is the Celebrations. So we have, how many of these do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 of these to go through, which is plenty of chances for good cards. So each card in here I will be sleeving up, because they are technically hollows. So, okay, thank goodness the code is on this side. Keep on forgetting that it is. So, alright, so I have no idea what to expect in here. But we have a Cosmoem, Lugia, that is very nice, Palkia, and a Mew. Okay, so I'm actually going to sleeve all of these up, because they are technically hollows. And they are some of my favorites, so. I mean, I like most of the legendaries, probably except for the Sun and Moon legendaries, but. Cosmoem, which is literally a stage evolution, which is kind of lame, I'm not gonna lie, but. Alrighty, there we go. Next pack. So, yeah, these I've been really looking forward to opening now for some time. Okay, if I can open it. They opened the same way again. Pretty nice. Okay. We have a Dialga, Cosmoem, Rocket Zapdos. Heck yeah. And what's after that? Flying Pikachu. Alrighty. We have a lot of good cards here. So, Rocket Zapdos. Very nice. This is actually a really cool looking card. Flying Pikachu. You also get your own sleeve as well. I might just open up this the panty sleeve packs. And then Cosmo, I'm probably not going to put you in a sleeve, because I already have you. But Dialga, you're definitely getting one. So the rest of so most of the holos go straight to my stepfather, who collects as well. Not Pokemon, but he collects. But he likes collecting cards. So, come on, you opened so easily before too. Come on, man. Alright, there we go. At least I get to have a mint condition pack now, which is pretty nice. Okay. So we have Xerneas, Kyogre, Cosmoem again, and a Surfing Pikachu VMAX. Heck yeah, brother. Which these come pretty easily, but you know, it's still very cool to see these. And then I'll just, I'll open up a penny sleeves for these. For the rest of these holos, because I don't really want to waste any of my good deck sleeves on that. So, which, yeah, these feel so much flimsier, but hey, they're protection. Oh, that's the wrong way. I put these the wrong way. And Xerneas. Okay, there we go. And I'll keep you on the side. Okay, next Celebrations pack. Which, that Rocket Zapdos makes me very happy. So, alrighty, that one opened pretty easily as well. Alrighty, we have a Yveltal, Zekrom, oh, Team Magma's Groudon in what's the last one? Solgaleo. Okay, very nice. Very, very nice. Groudon. That's a really nice card, actually. Alright, and the rest of you guys go in the sleeves. Solgaleo, Zekrom. And Yveltal. Any doubles will not be sleeved. So. Alright, next one. How many do we have left? I think we have 5. So this is the 4th one. Okay, this one already has issues. You can see it's already, oh geez. I don't need to do the card trick, that's right. There is no card trick here. Xerneas, Yveltal, Zekrom, and Professor's Research. That's definitely getting a sleeve. The rest are repeats. So, actually, wait. I'm pretty sure I got a Zekrom before. Yeah, I did. Okay. I was like, I wasn't sure. So the rest are going into the common pile now. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left. Then I'll get started on recording the booster box, so. Oh, jeez. Why do you open like this? Celebrations. I mean, you only have 4 cards, but that's about it. Are you kidding me? Surprised I haven't gotten a full art Pikachu yet. That's one of the cards I was expecting a lot of, but my guess not. Alright, we have a Dialga, Zekrom, Birthday Pikachu? Heck yeah. And a Professor's Research Full Art? What? Okay. Okay. Birthday Pikachu, you're definitely getting a sleeve. Well, you're not in all the way. There we go. And you are definitely getting a sleeve. And none of these are new, so let's go in the common pile. Alright. Celebrations pack. Alrighty. We have Groudon, Reshiram, Zekrom, and a Zacian V. Heck yeah, I'll definitely take you. I do like me some Zacian. Alright, and then we have Reshiram and Groudon, which I believe are new. So I'll definitely put you guys in sleeves. A lot of these are just awfully cut sometimes. Like, you can see some of the shine on these if you look hard enough. Alright, next one. Oh, some of these just open so easily, and then some of them just do that to me, which is not very Mobamba of them. Which is just awful for me. Okay. Zekrom. Ho-Oh, that's new. Kyogre. And a Solgaleo. Okay, Ho-Oh, you're gonna get your sleeve now. There we go. And the rest of you guys are going into the common pile. Okay, only 2 packs of celebrations left, which makes me really sad. But that's okay. I still have a booster box to open up, and it's my first ever booster box, so. Okay, it's opening up weird again, man. It always does this. Always, always, always. This one's being difficult to open up now. I don't know why. So. This is almost a 30-minute video, which I never thought I would be saying. So, okay, Xerneas, Ho-Oh, Imposter Professor Oak, and a Zimzetta V. Nice. That is a very nice. Okay, Zimzetta, Imposter Professor Oak. And the rest of you guys into the hollow pile. Okay, last celebrations pack. I will be opening up more in the future. Probably I am planning on buying the Elite Trainer box, which is about $70 right now. Which is, it feels overpriced, but also at the same time you have to remember that you know, these are reprints of old favorites that people actually really like, so. Alright, last pack. Kyogre, Xerneas, Ho-Oh, and Professor's Research. Alrighty, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Next time I will be opening up a Fusion Strike booster box. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys next time.